So let's talk about your barbecue grill. It's something I don't think a lot of people think of when they think of spring cleaning, but
My husband does.
I know. John loves to grill, but you guys got to say, okay, well, if I'm getting ready to do the spring cleaning, I got to get my grill ready to cook because we don't want to be there getting ready to get the grill going and it doesn't work. So first things first, make sure you're checking inside the grill. Take all the grates out. They're stainless steel. You're going to take them out. You're going to clean them down really well. You just take, you take your brush, go along both sides, get all that grease, get everything off. Clean everything on the inside. It's really important to do that. Then you're gonna go inside the grill and you're gonna check for any rust. Because what happens is, a lot of times in the off season, you get rust inside. You're gonna clean all that out, and on top of that, guys, after you get done cleaning everything, you wanna make sure that you're running the grill 45 minutes at a high temp, because it's really gonna cook off all the rest of that grease.
Burn everything off, right.
Burn it off, right? Same thing as our ovens inside, right? It has the clean.
The self-cleaning.
The self-cleaning.
Right,
all it is setting it at a really high temperature, doing it for about an hour to 2 hours.
And then make sure you're stocked up on your propane or whatever your fuel is before you start.
So, of course, inside, guys, check your propane. Make sure that it's connected. Make sure that it's full.
And that the lines haven't been eaten again by
rodents.
Yep.
And you're going to smell for gas. If you smell any gas, call a plumber. It's really important that you guys are checking those things because you want to be able to use the grill. You don't want the food on and then the propane's not working and the gas isn't working. It's really, really important.
Good tip.